Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings and you will enter in this first page of settings. Then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.